Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring small-scale manufacturing business ideas with fast production and quick returns. If you seek a business with a low entry barrier and the potential for rapid profitability, you're in the right place. We'll explore several feasible and promising ideas. First, personalized gift items. Think custom mugs, t-shirts, and phone cases. The beauty lies in its scalability. With print-on-demand services, start without inventory. Customers love personalized items. Production is quick, often in hours or days, leading to fast returns. Next, handcrafted soaps and cosmetics. Demand for natural skincare products is high. Produce in small batches, controlling quality. The initial investment is low, and market online or at local markets. Production is straightforward, and profit margins can be very attractive. Another option: candle making. Candles are always in demand. The materials are inexpensive, and the process is simple. Offer a variety of scents and styles. With effective social media marketing, you can reach a broad audience and achieve quick sales. Now, handmade jewelry. This includes earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Material costs are low, and skills can be learned quickly. Unique designs and quality craftsmanship are key. Sell online, at craft fairs, or through consignment shops. The turnaround can be rapid. Then, customized phone accessories. The market for accessories is massive. Focus on phone cases and screen protectors. Production is quick, involving printing designs. Source blank products and personalize. Selling online or at local tech stores can drive rapid sales. Consider also small wooden crafts. These range from decorative to functional products. Basic woodworking tools are needed, and the learning curve is manageable. The cost of wood is low. Selling at craft fairs or online can offer fast returns. Finally, digital product creation. While not strictly manufacturing, it aligns with our theme. Create and sell digital templates or e-books. The production is quick once you have the skills. You can sell these repeatedly with minimal cost. Use platforms like Etsy or your website. In conclusion, these small-scale manufacturing business ideas offer opportunities for entrepreneurs seeking fast production and quick returns. Research your chosen market and develop a solid business plan. Good luck, and happy manufacturing!